Hey there, today I want to show you how to use Teta's audio player. Let's start by showing you a few videos which will help explain all of the audio player's functions. First, let's create a simple structure thanks to a column. The column will contain two sized boxes so to set the top and bottom part apart. Let's start working on the top part by creating a list containing our songs. But first, we will need a database. We will need to insert a CMS fetch right before the column. Next, let's access Teta's database section and create a new collection and give it a name. At this point, let's proceed to add a new document. We will place URL within the document and then insert the song's URL by pasting the link. We will also add cover and then insert our song's cover accordingly. We will do the same for both the title and the author, and finally click on Publish. Note that not all of the data will be used in this video you are watching, but I will talk about them again in the following ones on our channel. Moving on, let's repeat the operation 2 more times by changing the various links and database names. Let's now access our tree and give the CMS fetch our recently created database. Next, let's set our sized box's height at 50% and add a list view builder right after it. We will then add the database within its settings. We can now start making our own card for our songs. Once we have created it, let's give our picture the dataset. Then, by selecting the dataset, give our many pictures data. We will do the same with the texts. More specifically, by giving the database and the song's name to the first text, and instead the song's author and the database to the second one. We have now created a list for all of our songs. In the next video, I will show you how to make the play-pause switch for each song. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!